Well, I'm on the Milwaukee UK stand and I'm with Sam Croft here, and I know you were saying earlier that you're looking for the biggest and the boldest stand, and I think you've achieved that by what I can see just now, but this is your first time showing at BTME. Tell us a little bit about the company.
Brilliant, yeah. So yeah, we're new to BTME. We did Saltex last year, but this is the first time that we've come to this show. We're really here to talk about our brand new APU range. We've got a brand new lawnmower just here, and really talk about why we've got a great range of products. We've got power tools just over the other side, which has been our bread and butter for the last few years, but we're really looking now to grow into this new category. We've got some great product coming. We've had some really great feedback over the last couple of days, so we're really here to just let people know that we're new to the industry, but we've got great heritage, we've got a great battery network and some really strong products as well.
Now you're saying everything is battery, they all do battery, and you were also telling me earlier that you were the first guys to come up with the lithium battery, is that correct?
Yeah, so back in the day, Milwaukee was the first brand to launch a lithium-ion battery, and now that's the mainstay in the industry. So we've got a really strong heritage when it comes to battery products, and we know the industry. The future is battery, and the future is cordless. So we're in a great position to really take some market share and again have just great product for our end users.
Now you said you were new. When there was a little bit of the heritage of Milwaukee UK,
yep.
The fact that you're now here at one of the biggest shows in the industry here, what the background was to that?
Sure. So over the last 10 to 15 years, Milwaukee's been growing in the UK. We're now the number one cordless professional power tool brand in the UK, and we're now really making sure that we can then invest in other categories where we know we can offer the end user great product, great runtime, and really just make their life easier. So we're here really to do that. Again, talk about our cordless range. We don't have any petrol products, any corded products. We're never going to launch any of those products, and really for us the future is battery, and it always has been. We've got 2 battery platforms, so 18 volt, or the M18 range is our 18 volt platform. We've got 190 solutions that all work off the one battery platform, and then we have a 12 volt range, our M12 tools, which again there's 90 tools that work off that one platform. So the saying is, if it's M18 it fits. So again, you can take the battery out of your lawnmower, put it into your blower, into your hedge trimmer, and really again, it's backwards and future compatible.
I was going to ask you to run through the range, but when you're mentioning 100, that would take a long video, not particularly exciting. But in broadish terms, what type of product are you covering?
So in the APU range, we've got our brand new lawnmower just here. We've got a range of hedge trimmers, chainsaws, blowers. We've got over in the corner our powerhead range, so that's a range of a chainsaw attachment, hedge trimmer, line trimmer, edger, and then an extension as well. And then we've got a whole range of new product coming, which I won't go into too much detail, but we've got more chainsaws coming and a few other bits that I think people will be very interested in as soon as we launch it.
You obviously see that this is going to be an expanding market, and you're hoping to get as much of a share of that as possible. Would that be a fair point?
Definitely. We aren't embarrassed to say we want to be the number one brand in the outdoor industry, and are confident that we will definitely get there. So.
Well, thanks for a little bit of your time. It's a very impactful stand, and it's a name that people are not going to forget, Milwaukee. So thanks for a bit of your time, Sam, and good luck going forward.
Thank you very much, and thank you for having us, and I'm sure we'll see you again very soon.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.